Hello, Miss Webb second grade class. You all received links today to create your Prodigy accounts. Real quickly, I'm going to walk you through that process. You are going to need your username and the passwords that I sent home with you all today. So let's go ahead and get started. So you'll begin by clicking the link that I sent you, and it will take you to the Prodigy homepage. You're going to click on Login, and you'll put in the username that I gave you, along with the password. Click Login, take just a minute to get loaded here. So as we talked about in class, Prodigy is a fun math game that you can play in class or at home, and I encourage you to play and get on here as much as you can. It's going to prompt you to create a character, so you can go ahead and do that. There's hairstyle, eye color, all kinds of little things that you can do with that. Let's just real quickly.
Are you playing from home?
Right now you'll be playing from home. You're going to choose your world. And as you go through this game, it's a storytelling type game. You're going to advance to higher levels, harder math problems. But it makes it fun.
Whoa.
And we've got a little bit of a storyline here.
Going for your first day of classes at the...
And you'll be able to interact with students from class, your classmates, so
The name's Newt. Who might you be?
you can change your worlds and play in the same world as one of your classmates.
Nice to meet you. Let's head over.
So I think that you guys can handle the rest of that from here. I just wanted to walk you through the login process. And like I said, I believe the rest of it you've got on your own. If you have any questions, just give me a holler in class. Thanks.